Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this maths puzzle together. Elmer's new car gives 50% better fuel efficiency. However, the new car uses diesel fuel, which is 20% more expensive per liter than the gasoline the old car used. By what percentage will Elmer save money if he uses his new car instead of his old car for a long trip? So, for this problem, we can make some assumptions. So let's say Elmer's old car, so there's his old car. The range of his old car is 100 miles, okay? And because the range of the old car is 100 miles, then because his new car gives 50% better fuel efficiency, that means for the same amount of fuel, his new car can reach 1.5 times 100 miles, and that would be 150 miles, okay? So that's the first information given. And then we will also assume that the fuel of his old car costs $10, say $10, and the fuel of his new car would be 20% more expensive per liter. So let's say 20% more expensive, that would be $12. So now we have to work out the maths, okay? So the old car, 100 miles, and the fuel costs $10. And for the new car, it can run 150 miles, and the fuel cost $12. So let's say, so now we know the fuel cost and the miles. So we can divide the fuel cost by the mile, and that would give us $0.1 per mile. So that's the cost for the old car. Now for the new car, because for this long trip, it can go 150 miles and the fuel only costs $12. So we have $12 divided by 150. That I believe, so we divide 3 on the top and the bottom, so we're left with 4 and then 50. And that would divide by 2, we get 2 and 25. So that is $0.08 per mile. So that is for the new car. So what I've done here is to show for each car the amount it costs to go each mile. So the old car requires $0.1 and the new car requires $0.08. So we want to find the percentage that Elmer will save money. So to do that, we will use the new value, which is 0.08 and then minus 0.1 and then divided by 0.1 times 100%. So 0.08 minus 0.1, that is minus 0.02 and divided by 0.1 times 100%. So you can see that this would be, which would this be? That would be 20%, I believe. Yep, that would be minus 20%. So Elmer will save will save exactly 20% money if he uses the new car instead of the old car. So that's it for this video. As you can see, I'm not too focused because I just came back from a day trip with my friend. But I'm going to get back to posting more videos for you guys. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.